Hey everyone, day 2 of the Michigan Blizzard 2022. It's December 24th and day 2. So out here plowing again. Gotten another 5-6 inches, I guess. So we'll be doing some plowing with the John Deere 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Mike with Pine Ridge Garage, and today we've got a bunch of snow. It's been snowing for the last day and a half, and we've got probably 8 inches of snow here. And so today we're gonna get the John Deere 2025 utility tractor out with the new snowplow that we built for it. We're gonna get out and we'll video how well it really does. This tractor does with this plow does a great job. Makes the job easier. Chains, we've got that. There's a video on putting them on, so if you haven't saw that, check that video out. But anyways, we'll do a little videoing of the John Deere 2025 plowing snow. Alright, so here we are in northern Michigan. We got about 8 inches of snow, as you can see. So we're going to get started and plow the driveway out. Hey everyone, day 2 of the Michigan Blizzard 2022. It's December 24th and day 2. So out here plowing again. Gotten another 5-6 inches, I guess. We'll be doing some plowing with the John Deere 2025. Alright everyone, well that's it. Got it all plowed. My drive, I actually plowed out one of my neighbors and 2 of my neighbors actually. So for those of you that have a utility tractor, they work really good. I mean, especially if you get a plow for the front of it. It worked really good, as you saw. So sure makes the job a lot easier than trying to do anything else. So the back blade, that sorts. But anyways, this is Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, that always helps. Leave any comments down below of what you think of plowing with a John Deere 2025. Again, that little tractor works really good. It's very easy on the tractor with the chains. Here we are plowing. That was like I think about 8 inches of snow. It's not real heavy stuff, pretty light stuff, but worked really good. Plows good. And but again, hit that like button. hit the bell for notifications of other videos that will be coming out. I sure appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to the channel. That way you'll see future videos. Again, we got work on the big snowmobile trailer, doing several projects within that trailer, on that trailer. And again, of course, the TNT, Ski-Doo TNT, 1972, as we revive the abandoned snowmobile. Again, thanks for watching. This is Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. Remember, have fun while you're getting it done. See ya!